Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Dia Kusumawati and you can call me Putri. I'm from Information System Study Program. My name 202300500009. I will presentation about analysis and design of star topology in the company. Next, forward all praise be to Allah Almighty, who has bestowed out His mercy and wisdom so that I can finish this report on time. Not to forget, I would like to thank the lecturer of the academic English course, Miss Yani Fitriani, MPD, who has taught and explained the material in the company English course so that I can complete this paper assignment. I realize that this paper is far from perfect and there are still many shortcomings in it. For this reason, I really hope for criticism and suggestion from readers so that my report can be improved even better in the future. Next, table of content. Number 1, introduction, background, problem statement, purpose, benefit. Number 2, theoretical foundation, enterprise network topology, benefits of using star topology in company, how to work and star topological challenge, characteristic of star topology. Number 3, research method, data collection method, and development method. Number 4, result and discussion, planning outcomes. Number 5, conclusion and suggestion. Next, introduction background. Computer network topology is a technology that studies a technique to connect computers with other computers, then form a network. Computer network topology is also a method to connect two or more computers using UTP cable, fiber optics, or wirelessly as a transmission medium. In this case, it will be quite possible user can communicate with user others. Lastly, despite different ways, network topology describes the geometric relationship between the basic elements that make up a network, namely nodes, links, and substation. Network topology selection is based on network scale, cost, purpose, and usage. These topologies we often encounter is everyday life, but we do not realize it. The first topology used was the best topology. Next, problem statement. The formulation of the problem to be discussed in this report, among others. Number 1, how to create a network topology in company. Number 2, how to identify the enterprise network topology being created. Next, The purpose of this report to understand and learning how to create a network topology in the company and identify the network topology in the company that is being created. Benefit by identifying the topology in the company that is being created and is expected to increase the insight of readers and also about making the concept of the network topology in the company and identifying the network topology grid. Next, the theoretical foundation, enterprise network topology. Star topology is a method or way to connect two or more computers with star-shaped network where the network topology is in the form of convergence from the middle node to each node or user so that all nodes or points are connected to the middle node. Topological features or star each node communicates directly with the central node. Data traffic flow from node to central node and back again. Star topologies are easy to develop because each node has a cable connected directly to the central node. The network will not be disrupted if one of the nodes is damaged. Star topologies can use slower cable because they only handle one node traffic, generally using UTV cable. Next, advantage of using star topology in companies. The advantage of star topologies include easy maintenance. Easy of maintenance is one of the advantage of this topology because it only consists of hub or switch and a few client computers. Maintenance becomes simpler. Users only need to make sure the device are functioning properly. Then if any client computer is damaged, network traffic will be affected. High data transfer rate. The star topology offers high data transfer rate because each client is connected directly to the central server. This allows uniform data transfer rate among all clients, making data transmission more efficient and fast. Ease of expansion. Star topology facilitates network development by adding client computer. Users only need to connect the new computer to the server to the hub. Centralized data management also always for easier detection of errors in the network, resulting in more efficient network maintenance and upgrade. Next, how to work and star topological challenge. As for the workings of the star topology, among other things, hubs that have been connected to the data packet provider server must be ready to act as the center of the computer network. Then install the cable in the port on the hub or switch is used as a center. If each cable is installed, connect the cable to the computers that are used as client or user. Next, characteristic of star topology. As for the topological characteristic of the star, it is each node communicate directly with the central node. Data traffic flow from node to central node and back again. The development is because each just node has a cable that is directly connected to the central node. If there is damage to one node, only that node is compromised, while the other are not disturbed. Can be used lower cable because it is enough to handle one node traffic and often uses UTP cable. The type of cable used is the UTP type and RJ45 connector. Next, research method, data collection method. Number one, literature study is a method of collecting data obtained through literature studies, normally by searching for material from internet, journal, and these that are accordance with the object study. And number two, observation is method of collecting data obtained from the field by going directly into field and looking for data in the company. And number three, interview is a method of collecting data obtained directly from such or people, namely parties from the company itself. Next, development method. Number one, prepare is the preparation phase of the analysis result from the hardware and network software side, which is in the company. Number two, plan is a special planning phase with capital derived from the input of the prepare phase, where the result of the needs analysis are obtained, which will be the other reference in planning network design in the company. And next, design is a network design phase derived from the result of the previous phase, namely plan. In this phase, the author will do a detailed network design that must be carried out, implementation, ethic, starting from the network device to be used to complete capture of the configuration in the company building. And number four, implement design is a network design phase derived from the result of the previous phase, namely plan. In this phase, the author will do a detailed network design that must be carried of implement ethics starting from the network used to a complete picture of the configuration in the company building. Next, result in discussion. Topology view to be created in the picture above. A network design will be made in a company consisting of the three rooms, namely hard HRD room, production room, and receptionist room. Where in the HRD room, 5 units of laptop are needed, 1 unit of wireless printer, and 1 unit of access point. For the receptionist room, 2 units of personal computer, 1 unit of printer, and 1 unit of switch are needed which have four port. As for the production room, 10 personal computer, 1 printer unit, and 1 switch unit are needed which have 12 port. However, the switch used in Cisco Packet Tracer is a switch with 24 ports, and it takes one router unit to send data packet or information over the internet or network from the location to another. Before configuration, we must configure the description, we must do IP addressing and subnetting first to facilitate the configuration process, and after that we can do configuring then and with testing each device. The topology design will later user the Cisco Packet Tracer application by applying the star topology Cisco Packet Tracer in the network simulation program that helps students or to designer to conduct experiments on network behavior. Cisco Packet Tracer provides simulation, visualization, drawing, and collaboration capabilities to facilitate teaching and learning about complex technology concepts. Next, conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion, network topology is that explain the geometry relationship between the basic elements that make up a network, namely nodes, ring, and station. Topology consists of several types of bus topology, ring topology, star topology, tree topology, and mesh topology, each of which has advantage and disadvantage is the comparison between all the topologies described earlier. The best topology to use in the star topology, because if one computer goes down, it does not affect the other, and error taking is very less, and access to other computer is faster and easier to upgrade. And suggestion. In this paper, I suggest if the reader can understand the topology of the network and its division, we realize that this paper I still not perfect. Therefore, we expand positive criticism the error contained in the paper. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you and sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.